fly a drone?
Hey.
Where is it? That one up there?
Yeah, there's another one. I don't know.
I think I saw a red one over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well, I don't think I can see it. Oh my god. The DJI, which one?
The Mavic Air 2.
Oh,
So
there's
nice
no
and
regulation
compact.
flying in here, right?
No. Although earlier it gave me a warning because there was a plane that was coming this
Oh,
way.
cool. Because I came from New York City,
Yeah.
and you cannot fly anywhere.
Yeah, I live in Brooklyn. Yeah.
Oh, then you know it. Cool.
I usually get out of the city so I can fly. I mean, I have to. Like, I think there's like 3 or 4 spots in certain parts.
Yeah, there's one called Model Plane Field. It's like right in the middle of Forest Park.
Yeah.
But other than that, it's like nowhere in New York you can fly. Very nice. Let's meet it.